write the statement or situation by using this expression. Got it? Okay. So this is for your homework. Write the second statement or situation. We will see the next point. Okay. Simplify the numbers. So simplify each of the following. Third question. Simplify each of the following, or only simplify. So first question is what? 8 multiplied by 3 plus 7. 8 multiplied by 3 plus 7 is equal to. So you have to first solve whatever given in bracket and then the remaining part. So 8 multiplied by 3 plus 7, 10. So 8 multiplied by 10 is equal to 80. 80 is the answer. This is the example number first. Again, second example. Okay, 23 plus 9. 23 plus 9 multiplied by 6 minus 3 minus 20. Minus 20. So how to solve this? So don't write here 23 plus 9 first 32. Okay. So this is wrong because you have to first solve the bracket. Okay. So keep in mind that always you have to solve the term which is in bracket. Okay. So here bracket is where 6 minus 3. So look here. Keep the remaining numbers as it is. 23 plus 9 multiplied by, you have to solve first what? Bracket. So 9 minus 3, 6 minus 3. How much? 3. And minus 20. Now which operation you have to do first here? Plus, multiplication or minus. Okay. I will learn the BODMAS rule, that is the bracket of. So okay, just you have to write the first multiplication. Okay. Division first, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, that is first you have to solve division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. Okay, these are the 4 arithmetic operations. And precedence means priority. You have to first solve what? Division. If there is division, you have to solve first division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. So in this case division is not there, so you have to go for the multiplication. So you have to solve first this multiplication, 9 multiplied by 3. So 23 plus 9 3s are how much? 27 minus 20. So again 23 plus 27, 50 minus 20 is equal to 30 is the correct answer. Got it? So 30 is the correct answer. So look here, don't solve this here plus first. Okay? Or addition. You have to first solve the bracket. Okay? For that we use here bracket. Okay? So 6 minus 3. You have to solve bracket first. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. And now 23 plus 9 multiplied by 3 minus 20. Now here plus, addition, multiplication and subtraction is there. At that time you have to use this what? Sequence. You have to first solve division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. If division is not there, then solve multiplication. If multiplication is not there, then addition. And addition is not there, then multiplication. Okay? You have to check first this sequence. If one of the operation is not there, okay, go for the next. So here division is not there, so don't solve directly addition. Solve what? Multiplication. So 9 3s are 27. Now 23 plus 27 minus 20. So 23 plus 27 is equal to 50. And 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. Got it? So keep in mind that, or always remember, you have to solve first the bracket, and then after bracket is solved, okay, so all bracket you have to solve first. Here only one bracket is there, so we have solved it, and the answer of 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Then go for the this operator precedence, operation precedence. Okay, means you have to priority of these operations, arithmetic operations. So you have to first solve division, then multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. If there is no operation in the given example, then go for the next. Okay, so this is the two examples. You have to pause the video and write down these two examples. Okay, now we will see the expanding brackets. Next point, expanding brackets. Expanding brackets. Okay, expanding bracket. So look here. To expand the bracket, we have used the following formula as distributive law. Okay, distributive law. Which law? Distributive law. A number outside the bracket. So what is the distributive law? So write down a number outside a bracket, distributive law. So write down the distributive law. A number outside the bracket multiplies each of the term, inside the brackets. Each of the terms inside the brackets. Inside the brackets. So got it? So this is the distributive law. So we see a first example. Okay, that is example number first. 2 multiplied by 7 plus 4. 2 multiplied by 7 plus 4. And we have seen this type of example in simplification. That is 7 plus 4, 11. 11 multiplied by 2 is equal to 22 is our answer. But by using the distributive law, a number outside the bracket. So which number is here outside the bracket? 2 is the outside of bracket. Is multiplies each of the terms inside the bracket. Okay, so we write here by using distributive law 2 multiplied by 7. So whatever sign is there, you have to take the sign. So 2 multiplied by 7. 2 multiplied by 7. Got it? And plus, as it is this plus, again 2 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 4. So 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14 plus 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. Again 14 plus 8 is equal to 22. So this is your answer 22. Again here 22. Whatever we have, find the answer according to the simplification. So 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 into 2 is equal to 22. And by using the distributive law, we solve this example. 2 multiplied by 7 plus means we have to multiply by each number. So 2 multiplied by first number plus as it is. Again 2 multiplied by second number. So 2 into 7. 14 plus 2 into 4, 8. So 14 plus 8 is equal to 22. So this is the expanding the bracket. So for that we use this distributive law. Okay. So we will see another example. Okay. Simplify each of the following. So how to simplify this? Okay. So look here. Example 8 multiplied by 107. 8 multiplied by 107. So in this solution, we don't multiply directly. That means 8 multiplied by 107. So multiplication is not there. We have to convert this 107 to 100 plus another number. So like this, 8 multiplied by, in bracket, we can say that the sum of 107. It's very simple. So we write here 100 plus 7. Got it? So now 8 multiplied by. So for this is very lengthy calculation. Okay, that means multiplication of 8 multiplied by 107. For that we distribute this 107, okay, into 100 plus 7. Okay, 107 is 107 is equal to 100 plus 7. So we write this term in bracket and multiply by 8 as it is. So again, by using distributive law, 8 multiplied by 100 plus as it is 8 multiplied by 7 is equal to, this is 800 plus 56 is equal to, answer is 856. Got it? So you have to solve these types of examples in exercise. For that I have taken one of the examples from the exercise and solve this. Okay, so how to solve this example? Okay, now we will see the another example. Look here, 14 multiplied by or 103 multiplied by 104. Second example, look here, 103 multiplied by 104. So look here, how to solve this? Again this, for that we write here for 103 we write here 103 multiplied by 100 plus 4. So look here, is equal to 103 multiplied by, for this we write 100 plus. Okay, again we use here which formula or which law? Distributive law. So look here, 103 multiplied by 100 plus as it is again 103 multiplied by 4. Got it? So next, again for this 103 we use here 100 plus 3 multiplied by 100. For this 103 we use 100 plus 3. Okay, and plus for 0103 we write 100 plus 3 multiplied by 4. Now 100 into 100, very simple, plus 3 into 100 plus 100 into 4 by using distributive law, plus 3 into 4. Okay, so 100 into 100, how much? 10,000 plus 3 into 100, 300 plus 100 into 4, 400 plus 3 into 4, 12 is equal to 10,000 plus 300 plus 400 plus 12. How much? 12,712 is the correct answer. Got it? So how to solve these types of questions? Okay, so you have to use here distributive law. That means a number outside the bracket, you have to multiply each of the number or term inside the bracket. So like this, outside the number here 100, and by this 100 you have to multiply 100 also and 3 also. 100 into 100 plus 100 into 3. Again plus is here, 4 into 100 plus 4 into 3. Got it? So today we stop here. Okay, and we will see the next point in next lecture. So pause the video, write down the solution, and I will also send you the PDF of these types of questions. You have to solve yourself first, and after that I will send the solution of these answers or these questions or exercise. Okay, so today we stop here. Thank you very much.